ahead is blocked.
Call the excavator to clear the road.
Let's move the dirt away. Come on, it's almost done. Great! The road is clear again. Waiting for Mr. Panda to deliver the building materials.
Mr. Panda drives a truck. He'll be here soon. Hi, Mr. Rabbit. Do you need me to move the goods to the second floor? Yes, Mr. Panda. The crane is ready. Come with me.
Mr. Panda just finished cleaning his house today, and he's got a lot of garbage to throw out. The garbage can is full. It sure would be good to have a garbage. Great! Here comes the garbage truck. Put the sorted trash into the garbage. Do not litter. Let's make the environment better. Thank you. Mr. Panda got injured at the construction site, and Miss Cat has called for help. There's a pothole. We have to fix it. Let's call the excavator for help. Fill the hole, then we can go through. Great! Here comes the excavator. Let's get started. The pothole is fixed. Let's go. Great! The ambulance is here.
We grow wheat here, which is one of the most important crops. Oops! The river is full of aquatic weeds. Call an excavator to move it away.
Remove the aquatic weeds. Look what the excavator can do.
Use a tractor to move the grass away. Bravo! It's just in time.
Uh-oh! To avoid the ducks, Mr. Monkey accidentally drove his tractor into the river. The tractor fell into the water. Let's call a crane. Try the... Wow! We made it! Good job, Crane!